Welcome to this series of videos about how YouTube's search and discovery system works. In this one, we're taking a look at search itself. Like Google's search engine, YouTube search aims to surface the most relevant videos and channels according to what people type in the search box. The results aren't just based on the most viewed videos. Videos are ranked on things like how well the title, descriptions, and video itself match each query. Beyond that, we look at which videos have driven the most watch time and engagement for a search phrase. So, what can you do to help your videos get found in search results? Consider the following. Use relevant search terms in your titles and descriptions. Try looking at Google Trends to see which words people are searching for. What's key here is being relevant. Don't try to trick viewers or they may abandon your video early, and that could hurt its performance in the long run. Write full descriptions, up to 1 to 2 paragraphs. Some creators only put their social media links in the description, potentially missing out on a lot of extra views. Pay attention to trending and seasonal topics, and consider making videos around those, especially within your own content category. Okay, so that's YouTube search, but what about suggested videos? Next, let's talk about how they work and what you can do to help your videos get discovered there. Click here to watch the next video, or go back and learn about how the algorithm follows the audience.